Hello guys, so this is a DJI OSMO Mobile SE gimbal, and today we are here to review the DJI OSMO Mobile SE gimbal. So this is the boxing, branding, and these are some features of this. Has 3-axis stabilization, magnetic design, portable, foldable, and this new ActiveTrack 5 feature is being given to this OSMO Mobile SE, and also it has one tap easy editing application installed in it. And in box we are getting this tripod stand, this magnetic clip, gimbal, and cable and pouch and documents. So here is the unboxing. So firstly we are getting this pouch, which is of soft material with this is the stand we are getting. It has 3 legs and with 1 screw, so we can fit that in here. Let me show you once this is unboxed. And we are getting the type C USB cable, type C to A USB cable as for charging. And this is the magnetic clip we are getting. This holds the mobile or camera. And finally we are getting this beautiful DJI gimbal. So this feature is for zoom in and out. This is the joystick for maneuvering the mobile or any devices attached. So firstly we'll attach this here as like this. So this is the fitment, and in this way we can open these legs. And let me check. So in this manner, this is the stand upright position. So we are gonna open this in this manner, and this attachment comes here as in here. This is a strong magnetic suction cup, which is really strong and durable actually. So now just let's set this mobile on here and see whether it's working correct. Yes, so we have to attach the mobile in here in this manner. So let's just start this one. This is the manual button. This is video recording and photo clicking button, and this is for rotating. So let's just start with. In this manner it just retracts back, and here we can see the maneuverability. It's a 360 maneuverable gimbal, and we can also make it in portrait or landscape modes like this. So this is the best gimbal under 10,000 currently available in India on Amazon. So do check out the description where I've put the link to buy. So this was the unboxing and short review of DJI OSMO Mobile SE gimbal. Thank you.